I thought I'd give this vacuum thing a try, so I tried my own. This is just the bottom part here. This is the actual so-called vacuum. It's more of a suction. There's no vacuum involved at all. It's suction, but that's just holding it in place. I think this is a 1/4 inch inner diameter silicone hose. I go into that, and yeah, it's all sealed up, but I don't expect a whole lot out of it. Let's see what we can do. I don't expect a whole lot of anything out of this. This will probably be the most difficult part of the whole project. I spent 20 minutes on this thing. What can I use that's heavy? This is a joke. Alright, well, you can't even see that. Alright. Maybe I should come back to it. Yeah, I don't know, man. Yeah, it's a joke. Laugh at me all you want. This is what I did on my Sunday afternoon. For 20 minutes. What about the super glue it in place? This is bullshit. What can I use? Come on. Good thing I'm not a mechanical engineer, huh? I'd be fired already. Like, get the fuck out of here. Alright. Fuck it. Where's my glasses? Alright. Let's try it. Feel anything? Yeah, I feel a little bit. Alright. Try it. But look at this. Holy shit. There's stuff inside. There's stuff inside of it. It actually did something. I did something. I did something. Look. Yeah, look at that. There's stuff inside the bottom. There's copper. It fell right to it. And I guess static is holding it. All the fiberglass stuff in there. That's pretty neat. How about that shit? That's crazy. I think if I use a larger diameter hose, maybe. I mean, there's still, look at this. There's still a ton. Didn't do shit. Oh man, that sucks. I think if I use maybe a bigger, larger diameter hose, and I don't think there's enough static pressure for this. I mean, the fan pulls 2 amps. 2.3. I was only seeing 1.5 amps on the supply. Yeah, 1.5. Yeah. So there's that. Yeah. That's it's terrible. It doesn't work. It worked a little bit. There's room for improvement. It's worth 20 minutes of my day, and that gives me something to think about. All right. Well, I think I'm just going to buy a used dustbuster off the internet and figure out how to implement it in here so it's not so crappy. All right. So there's that.